coaching students, and this side is with 7th, 8th coaching and 9th non-coaching students. So my first question is from 7th coaching students. The force exerted by the earth to pull the object towards itself is called. Option A, electrostatic force. Option B, gravitational force. Option C, muscular force. Option D, contact force. Stand up. Gravitational force is the right answer. My next question is from 9th students. Muscular force is also called dash force. Option A, non-contact. Option B, contact. Option C, gravitational. And option D, magnetic. I am repeating the question. Muscular force is also called dash force. Non-contact, contact, gravitational, magnetic. The force exerted by a charged body on another charged or uncharged body. Option A, gravitational. Option B, electrostatic force. Option C, non-contact force. And option D, contact force. Yes, right answer, electrostatic force. Changes the option A, motion of body. Option B, speed of body. Option C, shape of body. Option D, all of these. Yes, stand up. All of these, right. Kilogram weight is equals to 1 kilogram weight is equals to option A 98 Newton, option B 9.8 Newton, option C 0.98 Newton and option D 0.098 Newton. Yes, right. 9.8 Newton. A spring balance is used for measuring. Can you spell the answer without option? A spring balance. A device which is present in our lab. A spring balance device which is used to measure gas. C, pressure. Option D, speed. Wrong answer. Students, a spring balance is used for measuring. Option A, mass. Option B, weight. Option C, pressure. Option D, speed. Yes, weight is the right answer. Fall down on the ground due to option A, electrostatic force. Option B, magnetic force. Option C, gravitational force. Option D, muscular force. Yes, girls. Pavani. Very good. Gravitational force. Following forces is a contact force. Option A, force of gravity. Option B, magnetic force. Option C, force of friction. Option D, electrostatic force. I am repeating again. Force of friction is the right answer. Maybe. Without any option. Next one, 7th class students. Force is a dash quantity. Force is a dash quantity. Vector is the right answer. Next, class 9th. SI unit of force is dash. SI unit of force is dash. Stand up. Yes, Newton. TGS unit of force is dash. Yes, dyne is the right answer. Newton is equals to dash dyne. And power 5. And GF. 1 kgf is equals to dash GF. Yes, yes. Yes, 1000. Forces in nature. Name four fundamental forces in nature. This is a very important question. Wait for few seconds.
Gravitational force, electromagnetic force, weak nuclear force, strong nuclear force.
Very good. Correct answer. Sit down, please. Strong nuclear force. Yes, right answer. In nature, what is the weakest force in nature? Name is weak, then it doesn't mean that it is weakest. Yes, right answer. Gravitational force. Unit of weight. What is the unit of weight? And most of the students, even people, have misconception about unit of weight. Weight, unit, Newton. Right. When a body is immersed in a liquid, then the force exerted by डाला जाता है तो पानी उसके ऊपर एक फोर्स लगाता है, एक बल लगाता है, उस फोर्स का नाम आपको बताना है. हिंट भी दे दिया आपको अब तो. गुड. अब थ्रस्ट फोर्स. Okay, thank you students. Thank you for your answers. And the quiz is over. So we will share the results in a few minutes. So you can be patient. Thank you very much. Now I would like MD ma'am so that we will say few words. Okay, okay. So dear students, this chemistry quiz between class 11, 11th science students. So be prepared. Result. Okay. So you must know the result. Who is the winner? Guess. 7th class or 9th class? Why? 9th is senior. Okay, so the winner is 7th class and the score is 22. Ninth class score is 8. So see the main difference, big difference. आज आप ये देखिए इन जूनियर स्टूडेंट्स ने एक एग्जाम्पल सेट कर दिया है. एग्जाम्पल क्या सेट किया है? एज डजंट मैटर इफ यू आर विलिंग टू डू समथिंग एंड इफ यू हैव डेडिकेशन टू लर्न समथिंग. अगर आपके अंदर डेडिकेशन है और आप कुछ करना चाहते हैं लाइफ में तो एज आपके लिए मैटर नहीं करती है. और ये देखिए जो टॉपिक था वो भी इनकी क्लास का नहीं था, 8th के सिलेबस का टॉपिक था और जिसमें इन्होंने 9th को भी बीट कर दिया है 7th क्लास में. सो दिस इज अ बिग अचीवमेंट एंड बिग कांग्रेचुलेशन टू क्लास 7 स्टूडेंट्स. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल.